this is Ace here once again with another Black Ops 3 video, and today I'm going to be joined by Ibrahim, eBoy1307. Say hi.
Hiya.
You twat, you sound so gay. Anyway, yeah, we're going to be doing... yeah, right. We're going to be doing some games on Team Deathmatch, called Team Deathmatch. And yeah, just been doing a couple, cutting down. I might actually try and get a new intro in this video. But anyway, Ivan is gonna start searching. Oh, my camera is so bad. I'm getting a GoPro soon. Fuck my life. I'm gonna get my mum. I'm gonna rape my mum until she gives me one. Dr. Hot and Spice. What kind of fucking name is it? No, we're not. They're all level ones. In the Scout Streaks I use a UAV, Cerberus and Raps. Specialist. I'm trying to get the achievement for getting all the specialists' weapons. So I need... I might... No. I don't know, because... No. Not Black Ops 3, it's not. Top one. I think it was top one. First one with Locust and KN44. Top one. That one that's got... No, it's not got a suppressor on.
So it's got no one.
Yeah, obviously, because it's me.
Just got one on somebody with the game.
Yeah, I'm just using Ripper because I'm trying to get the achievement, like I said at the beginning. Yeah, I tried to Ripper him, but you know, it kind of failed. Well, you weren't so close to death because you died. There's someone up there. Ah!
Oh, Nils, the door's blocked it.
Oh, what? Where was this? Tosser.
Oh, wow.
Boom, got him. Yo, look at you just know my... Whoa! Head kick. Do you know what? Are you taking the mic off? Ah, boom. No! Oh, that was a fail.
Oh, wow, he comes behind us. Oh, it's not the only one just got the one behind you.
messed it up.
I messed this up and all of it.
Yeah. Except you're adopted. That's why you messed it up. Retard.
Coming from behind us.
Damn it. Let's go.
I'm coming in with PK, yeah. Oh, Neil, that's what it was. Triple kill.
I could have got triple, but I concussioned myself. Yeah, you got double assist because me. Actually, obviously me. I can. I'm earning.
They're gonna get high.
For you, 10 to 11 is pretty good. Your best game or what? I got a better game for you though, didn't I? On Hunter, I got 32 and 0. Remember? Oh my god, I just wasted my Ripper to try and kill someone. And it didn't even say I could kill him. Oh my god, why could I not fly up? Sneaky spot ever that is, that I'm just being. Oh, I could have just got last kill, double kill with a, what's it called? I've got it. I think if I can hit it. I've just been trying to kill someone for ages. Actually, this that I'm doing is going to be a road. This that I'm going to do. I'm just going to do one episode of one game an episode, and it's going to be a road to go camo with. Well, road to after Dark Matter. So, yep, the end of the video, guys.